Okay, we finally got a decent day to fly. Might still rain a little later on today. It's real windy today, so we're going to take the Ranger 600 out. This thing's basically indestructible, so she's ready. Okay, let's do this. The wind pushes it, but she flies nice. It's too windy for it today. Yeah. Yes, she's real windy. Look at that turd. Whoa, the wind's really knocks this thing around. Ooh, downwind she's fast. Definitely a pain in the butt in the wind. Still flies great, even in some wind. It's a pain in the butt here. but I'm sure in an open field, fly great. It's a good bashing plane if it's for the wind. It could definitely take a hit. It's excellent. Whoa, the wind pushed it. Yeah, it's getting real breezy now. I think we'll bring her in for a landing. Getting kind of windy. Not a bad plane. It's good to beat around in the wind, because you don't, you know, when it hits something it just bounces. It's like rubber, this thing. It works great too. Really nice plane. Yep. That was the Ranger 600 today in the yard, Volantex. Really nice plane to fly in the wind. Alright, have a nice day. See you on the next flight.